If you give a girl a gallon of maple syrup, she's going to need a canning jar to store every last golden drop. And once she has the jar, she'll want a silicone sleeve to keep it safe. And when the sleeve is on, she'll need a pour spout because precision pouring is a must. And once she has the perfect pour, she'll want a cup of coffee with just a touch of sweet syrup. And when everything is set up just right, she might just ask for another gallon. If you, like myself, buy your maple syrup by the gallon jug, or if you aspire to buy your maple syrup by the gallon jug, this is the perfect combo. We've got the silicone sleeve from Mason Jar Lifestyle to protect the amazing glass canning jar from Azure Canning Co. And then the Mason Jar Lifestyle pour spout. So this is the perfect combo to make that gallon jug more accessible, more ergonomical. You can actually just pour a little bit out, very controlled on your pancakes or in your coffee or whatever you're using maple syrup on, without worrying that you're gonna spill the whole jug, without having to heft the whole jug. So if you have not yet checked out Azure Standard, I highly encourage you to. I will put a link in this video's description. You can also use the code PATIENCE15 to get 15% off your first Azure Standard order. I have been a lifelong customer with Azure. I grew up on their products and I am still clearly using them to this day. So I 100% wholeheartedly recommend this company. Check it out. I think you guys will love them as much as I do.